The VisionMaster Pro2 triple laser 4K projector paired with a 135-inch fixed-frame screen is built to turn ordinary movie nights into a breathtaking cinematic experience. It's a combination of power, precision, and innovation designed for people who want the ultimate display performance right at home. From the moment it powers on, it makes a bold statement about what modern projection technology can really do. The first thing that stands out is its refined design. A clean, premium look that feels both futuristic and elegant. It's compact enough to fit neatly into most setups, yet powerful enough to command attention. The build quality gives confidence that this is a long-term investment, not just another gadget. Under the hood, the VisionMaster Pro2 runs on an advanced triple RGB laser engine. This setup uses separate red, green, and blue laser sources to project true, vivid colors that rival professional cinema screens. The color volume is extraordinary. Bright highlights remain crisp, while darker scenes show incredible depth and realism. Every tone looks authentic and balanced, with no oversaturation or dull patches. The 4K native resolution pushes clarity to the next level. Every detail, from facial expressions to fine textures, pops with precision. The visual sharpness is so refined that you can almost feel the depth of the scene. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie, streaming a concert, or playing high frame rate games, the motion handling stays smooth and consistent. There's no noticeable lag or blur, just clean, ultra-sharp visuals. Brightness is another major strength. Even in a room with ambient lighting, the projector maintains strong visibility and contrast. It's engineered to deliver vibrant brightness without compromising on color quality. Blacks stay rich, whites stay bright, and everything in between feels perfectly balanced. This makes it great for flexible setups, whether it's a darkened home theater or a well-lit living room. The 135-inch fixed-frame screen complements the projector perfectly. It's not just a surface. It's a precision-calibrated component built to enhance image performance. The screen's tension design keeps it flat and flawless, eliminating ripples or waves, ensuring every pixel lands exactly where it should. It maximizes contrast and reflects light evenly, amplifying the clarity and intensity of the projected image. Sound plays a key role in immersion. While the projector includes capable built-in audio, pairing it with a dedicated soundbar or surround system transforms the setup into a full cinematic environment. The visuals and sound together make every scene more impactful, from explosive action sequences to subtle dialogues. Connectivity is smooth and versatile. Multiple HDMI and USB ports make it compatible with gaming consoles, streaming sticks, laptops, and media players. It also supports wireless connections, giving you easy access to your favorite platforms without needing extra adapters or cables. Switching inputs is fast, intuitive, and seamless. Even with all that performance, the VisionMaster Pro2 stays impressively quiet. The advanced cooling system prevents overheating while keeping fan noise minimal, allowing you to stay focused on what's on screen. Overall, the VisionMaster Pro2 triple laser 4K projector is a complete home theater solution, combining high-end visuals, rich color accuracy, powerful brightness, and immersive scale. With the included 135-inch fixed-frame screen, it's a plug-and-play upgrade that elevates any entertainment setup into a true cinematic zone. For anyone serious about creating a home theater experience that feels premium, this projector delivers unmatched performance. It's built to impress, designed to last, and engineered to redefine what's possible in home entertainment. If you're looking to buy the VisionMaster Pro2 triple laser projector 4K with the 135-inch fixed-frame projector screen, check out the link provided in the description below.